So this is free range chicken farming. Many people have been asking the best method to rear chicken, and I prefer the free range farming where we love to allow them to feed on their own. As you can see, they have some spacious rooms here they can sleep and they feed on their own. So one of the best methods is why you can feed your chicken is through the free range farming. You can see here we have some male chicken, the cock. That's small, but with the time it will be grow to big ones. This is where they sleep, spend most of their time. You can see clean, washed. And still they are like four, but with the time they will reproduce to many. So kila kitu bado tunaipea time. So this is free range type of farming where we love to keep the chicken on a free range type of farming where they will have to feed on their own. Most of the times you don't have to feed them, you just allow them to go outside and feed on their own, like feed on small worms, leftover foods and such. So here you have the feeders where you put the food inside where they can lay their eggs is here. Yeah, this is their water cage. You put the water here, they can take it from there. So this is their food, the leftover food. You just have to put it there, they will take it on their own. And see they are just following me. They really love me. I've decided to start with only four, but with the time, since we have some two male ones and two female ones, with the time they love to reproduce to many, and the business, the farming will be good. So for those who have been saying that like they have the passion for chicken farming and they have no space, me I'm in town, and you can practice anywhere you are in town. Maybe you can set up just a small piece of land. You don't have to have a large piece of land. Free range requires only a small land where you can set their places, like you can set where they can sleep and such. The other one, the space is free so they can feed on their own. You can put the leftover foods which had remained as their own food there. You can put the water triggers for their water, and your farming will be well. So stop complaining about you don't have a large farm to set up your farming activities. But many people have been saying they have the passion for chicken farming, and yet they haven't had enough piece of land to start farming. It's not the issue is not all about the land. You can start just with the small piece of land that you have, and all shall be well. So continue sharing this information at your friends. Continue liking and commenting and subscribe. Hit the subscription button is free. Road to what? We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers.